हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑल एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस टुडे। स्वागत है आपका पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत के यूट्यूब चैनल पर। 365 डेज़ द डे इट वॉज के आज के इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स एंड पर्सनैलिटीज़ और उनसे जुड़ी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट जानकारियाँ। दोस्तों, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप प्लीज़ इस सेशन के वीडियोस को पूरा देखिएगा एंड मैक्सिमम लोगों को शेयर कीजिएगा। वी हैव स्टार्टेड अ क्विज सेशन बेस्ड ऑन द कंटेंट ऑफ दिस वीडियोस ओनली। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपसे पूछेंगे कुछ क्विज, कुछ क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन द कंटेंट ऑफ ऑल दिस वीडियोस। आप अपने आंसर्स नीचे दिए गए कमेंट बॉक्स में भी दे सकते हैं। जीतने वाले को पढ़ाई करो की तरफ से हर वीक मिलेगा एक सरप्राइज गिफ्ट। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट गजानन त्र्यंबक मडखोलकर, a Marathi novelist and a literary critic who was born on this day in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Arun Jaitley, a politician, an attorney and former finance minister of India who was born on this date in Delhi. Sumitra Nandan Pant, a famous poet and writer, passed away on this date at the age of 77 in Prayagraj, उत्तर प्रदेश। स्टार्ट करने से पहले आज की मोटिवेशनल कोट, राह संघर्ष की जो चलता है वो ही संसार को बदलता है। जिसने रातों से जंग जीती है, जिसने रातों से जंग जीती है, सूर्य बनकर वही निकलता है। तो आइए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं, बढ़ते हैं। 28 दिसंबर 1900, गजानन त्र्यंबक मडखोलकर, a Marathi novelist and a literary critic who was born on this day in Mumbai, Maharashtra. When he was just 19, he wrote an article, Keshava Sutancha Sampradaya, which got published in Navyug magazine. He started political articles at the age of 21. His first four articles on Sinn Féin movement in Ireland got published in the Kesari newspaper. At the age of 22, he wrote a book, Adhunik Kavi Panchak. He joined the editorial board of the Pune Weekly Maharashtra in 1924. In 1944, he joined Nagpur Daily Tarun Bharat as an editor. He wrote 10 critical books, 12 novels, 6 one-act plays, short stories and poems. His 12 novels are Nave Samsar, Muktatma, Chandanwadi, Mukhwate, Uddhar, Kanta, Pramvadani, दोहेरी जीवन सांप, नाग कन्या एंड डाक बंगला। ये बढ़ते हैं अगले ईयर की तरफ। 20 दिसंबर 1952, अरुण जेटली, a politician, an attorney and former finance minister of India, was born on this date in Delhi. He passed his LLB degree from the Faculty of Law DU in 77. He practiced law in the Supreme Court and several high courts of the country. He was a senior advocate of the Supreme Court of India. He served as the member of Parliament Rajya Sabha from 3rd April 2000 to 24th August 2019. In 2000, he first became the chief minister in the former PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government. In 2009, he stopped practicing law and became the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha from 3rd June 2009 to 26 May 2014. He served as Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs from 26 May 2014 to 30th May 2019. He served as Minister of Defense from 13th March 2017 to 3rd September 2017. He was a Minister of Information and Broadcasting from 9th November 2014 to 5th July 2016. With Arun Jaitley as the Finance Minister, the government took several key economic initiatives such as demonetization, implementation of the GST and merging of railway budget with the general budget. The decision to advance the date of the general budget to February 1 was also taken when he was the Finance Minister. आइए बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट की तरफ। 28 दिसंबर 1977, सुमित्रा नंदन पंत, a famous poet and writer who passed away on this date at the age of 77 in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. He participated in non-cooperation movement and salt satyagrah during Indian independence movement. His poems were heavily inspired by nature's beauty, people and inner beauty. His poetry collection Vani consists of his poems from 1907 to 1918. His famous poetry collection Pallava, Jyotsna and Gunjan published during 1923 to 33. In 1938, he became the editor of monthly magazine Rupap. He composed many poetic collections like Granthi, Gunjan, Beena, Yugvani, Swarna, Dhuli, and many more. He authored 28 published work consisting of poetry, plays, and essays. He has also worked in the Hindi department of the AIR Prayag. In 1960, he was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award for his poetry collection Kala or Buda Chand. In 1969, he became the first Hindi poet to receive the Gyanpith award for his work Chidambara, which is a collection of his most famous poem. In 1961, he received Padma Bhushan. His childhood house has been turned into a museum to help people connect and know more about him, his life and his works. तो आज का क्वेश्चन, मैथमेटिशियन श्रीनिवास रामानुजन was born on which date? A. 20th December 1887, B. 8th January 1887, C. 22 December 1887, D. 10th December 1887. आप प्लीज़ अपने आंसर्स नीचे दिए गए कमेंट बॉक्स में दे सकते हैं। तो उम्मीद करता हूं दोस्तों कि आज का ये सेशन भी आपके लिए बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव रहा होगा। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें पढ़ाई करो चैनल को, एंड प्लीज़ डाउनलोड पढ़ाई करो ऐप फॉर मोर अपडेटेड एजुकेशन कंटेंट। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। थैंक यू।